What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. All right, setting it up. I'm gonna put down my corner guards, mix up my solution, and not gonna be using the cylinder door today. We don't need it. It's a beautiful day, but the door is way too wide for that anyway. My latest additions to my artillery is I shouldn't say that word. I think I'm talking about something else. But anyway, yeah, right here you get them from Wanders. Yeah, they lock together because I don't know how many times I've been pulling in hoses. They come apart, put them back together, they come apart. They'll never again. Alright guys, halfway through the job, a little more than halfway, 1:30. We've been here for 3.5 hours. Time flies, actually, when you're doing upholstery. So as you can tell, we got a lot of upholstery to do. Ended up being 4 couches and a sectional and 7 chairs. So yeah, we're taking a little break. I had to refill my rinse. Running low on that. I think I just have just enough too, because I didn't have quite a quart, which I think quart fills up the whole thing, or quart to a 5 gallon. Didn't have quite a quart, but I should have enough there, and that should be enough to finish up the job. Just being safe, you know, on the chemistry. I mean, a lot of this stuff probably would have been just fine with just the carpet detail. And what I did is just go ahead and mix up a little hand sprayer, like with carpet detail, and using that as a spotter, and just following it right up and rinsing it with the rinse, all fiber rinse, which will, you know, even if the carpet detail was gonna do something, which it probably wouldn't, rinse it out, neutralize it. But yeah, So job's going smooth. We're gonna be back here to do all the rugs on the ground. So that's gonna be tomorrow. I don't know how I'm gonna record it or not. But as you can tell, it's probably about 5,000 square foot home and all wood, but a lot of area rugs everywhere. So pretty much like the carpet. So. Yet another. Alright guys, all wrapped up. Customer was happy. We'll be back tomorrow to do the rugs. Now we're going to get some food, Mexican food, and call it a day. So the job took us 5 hours. Let's see. The total bill on this job is $1,560. All we did is the upholstery today, so minus the $560. So yeah, $1,000. Pretty good day, you know. 2 people on upholstery really helps out. You know, they work ahead of you, and they go ahead and vacuum and pre-scrub, and you know, and you extract, or vice versa. So yeah, good day. So we'll be back tomorrow to finish it up and get paid for the job. And he likes the job. You know, he had reservations about the last company that cleaned his, did the whole cleaning. I guess they did it all in like 5 hours, including the area rugs. I kind of understand what he means now, because it really wasn't possible to do a thorough job. Tomorrow we're gonna probably take about 2 hours to do all the area rugs. So yeah, anyway, we'll see you in the next one.